When it comes to the most popular luxury sedans, one of the first that comes to mind is BMW 3 Series. And now the Bavaria-based car maker has introduced 3 Series Grand Limousine, which is basically a longer 3 Series sedan with more luxury, comfort and space. The long wheelbase 3 Series was first developed for the Chinese market, and now Indian customers are also showing strong interest in these types of cars. So can BMW 3 Series Grand Limousine deliver what Indians are looking for? Let's find out. My name is Dinesh Dev Sharma and you're watching Mashable India. The 3 Series Grand Limousine is based on a G20 3 Series sedan. Look at it from the front, there is nothing to distinguish it from the regular car. Our test car was 330 Li in luxury line. Up front you get a trademark BMW kidney grille with chrome surrounds. There are slim LED headlamps while the front bumper has a blackened out center section. It is when you move to the side is where you see the difference. BMW has increased the wheelbase by 110 mm, which now stands at 2961 mm. Overall length of the car has increased to 4819 mm. The rear doors are also longer by 110 mm. And even though the car's length has increased, the design looks well proportioned and not out of place. The luxury trim gets multi-spoke 17-inch alloy wheels that looks classy and is quite a nice design. The rear features LED tail lamps and rectangular exhaust tips. Major changes on the 3 Series Grand Limousine can only be felt once you step inside, and here you are greeted with this cabin which has been nicely done with good quality leather upholstery. As you can see, it has been made with a good quality leather, and also they have used soft plastic which actually feels really good. And if you compare it with the standard 3 Series, certain components do feel more premium. In the front row, the driver and the co-passenger get better cushioned seats with dedicated adjustable thigh supports. Step into the rear seats and this is where the majority of the difference can be felt. To begin with, you get 43 mm of additional legroom on the rear seat. If you're wondering, where did the 110 mm extended wheelbase go? Well, that space was used by BMW to improve upon the cushioning of the rear seats, and we believe that BMW did a good job. Quality of components on the rear also feel more premium. For example, if you open this armrest, it has a pretty cool cup holder opening mechanism, and also the plastic that has been used is also of a really good quality. If you look at here, a large central tunnel, this car works best as a 4-seater. Just like the standard 3 Series, the rear seats are best suited for 2 adults or 2 adults and a kid, because the transmission tunnel in the middle considerably decreased the legroom for the middle passenger. On the components and gadgetry front, BMW has brought in some additions. Just like the standard 3 Series, the driver-focused cabin is carried over along with the fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster and a 10.25-inch central display. BMW hasn't forgotten to place a panoramic roof, which by far is the largest in the segment. Along with that, you get a different wood trim, new leather upholstery, enhanced ambient lighting, and a 16-speaker Harman Kardon audio system. Overall, you get a great blend of good quality and sharp design. There are 2 engine options available in the BMW 3 Series Grand Limo. A 2-liter twin-turbo petrol unit producing 258 bhp and 400 Nm torque, and a 2-liter diesel unit producing 190 bhp and 400 Nm torque. Both the engines are mated to a 8-speed gearbox and like the regular 3 Series. The model we got for our test drive run was the 330 Li powered by petrol engine, and I absolutely loved driving it. While I initially felt that the increased length has reduced some amount of driving fun from this limo version as compared to regular 3 Series, this car grows on you slowly. The new sedan still does everything which you expect a 3 Series to do. That is, provide the much required thrill when you step up on the throttle. The BMW 3 Series Grand Limousine has a slightly raised ride height and a softer suspension setup. This results in fantastic ride quality, and the car just glides over undulations and bad roads. The 17-inch alloy wheels also help, and the car feels very stable at any speeds in a straight line, and steering also offers a balanced handling. Braking power is excellent and you hardly notice any NVH inside the cabin. You know what you're getting with the BMW 3 Series Grand Limousine? Quite simply, it's going to be a brilliant all-rounder car where you get comfort, space and enjoyable driving experience. Hence, as a value proposition, this car definitely gets a big thumbs up from our side.